Dear friends, welcome back to my channel. Whenever you are watching any video of hotel, in this video we provide all the details about this hotel, like location, reviews, and room category and facilities also. As you can see on the screen, hotel location, reviews, and nearby attractions and landmark also. You will find lots of reviews and rating numbers online that are given by guests to enjoy their stay. Its review rating is 10.0, which is the exceptional. A set of FAQs is now displayed on your screen, which may address many of your basic questions about this hotel. Category 5. Category 7. Let's talk about amenities of this hotel. So you can see on the screen, all guests will be required to present photo ID at check-in. The hotel accepts major credit cards and reserves the right to temporarily hold an amount prior to arrival. The location of the hotel is excellent and guests love to enjoy the surroundings. Many reviews of rooms are available online. You can check them online.